Hi guys, today we're going to be doing a review on a DDX918WS. It's a 9 series. WS stands for widescreen. This is the 200mm version for the Toyotas. So yeah, let's get into it. It's a pretty cool unit there. It's got Wi-Fi built in. It's got OEM steering wheel control. So you can program that into your steering wheel control, like these buttons here. You can assign that to any key you want to. It's got 2 input for the cameras. One is reverse, which I'm going to show you right now, like that, and also front camera. So when you go, you got front and rear input. It's also got AV inputs, stuff like that. Motorized screen, so that flips down for you to insert the CD. It's also got pretty cool things, like you can change that color to anything. It's also got Android Auto or CarPlay as well, so which I'm going to be showing you very soon. So yeah, let me just show you. It's got that. It's got fast forward, rewind mode, so you can incorporate with the answer, hang up, and voice recognition, stuff like that. So let me just show the Android Auto part there. So we got the home here, and see, that's just the background playing. We've got Android Auto there. So yeah, that will come up. So yeah, it's got all that. It's got even Android Auto. You know how it works. Pretty cool stuff. Yeah, got that. Yeah, using Waze at the moment for that. Home, it's got Spotify, this, you know, it's got a lot of features with this unit here. Even nav if you want to, or HDMI input as well. Also mirror cast, so which means you can do that without plugging anything in. So you can cast your image from your phone into your unit. Let me just show you how to do that. Okay, so let's unplug that. Let's go to here, waiting for a screen, so I'll just pop it in. Let me just I'm not going to show you my password to get in, but I'll show you now. Okay, so you can just mirror cast that. So it's pretty much got everything like that. So you know, if you want, you can you know, play games on it, whatever, you know. It's a pretty cool unit. Yeah. Let me show you some of the features with the menu and stuff like that. So yeah, you got Street Fighter or YouTube or whatever, you know. So it's a pretty cool unit there. So, yeah. Anyway, sorry. Get back to it. Let me show you. We got these, which I'm gonna go to settings there. It's got some of the features like AV input, so you can turn on your TV, or AV out for rear screens. Wi-Fi setup. It's got, like I said, it's got a lot of stuff, like your wallpapers and stuff like that. Translucent. Your EQs are even better. It's got heaps of stuff on these, you know. To be honest, yeah, it's got a lot of features and stuff. Your EQ, let me just get to the EQ part there. On audio. Let me just probably get out of the Street Fighter scene there. Yeah. Yeah. It's got all your crossover for, you know, front, rears, subwoofer control, your 13-band EQ, subwoofer level. It's got position, so you can adjust where you are with individual speakers, like, you know, how far away from you, or each one actually. And front, it's got dual zone as well, so you can do you know, single or dual, which means front can be listening to DVD and the back can be listening to USB, for instance, you know, stuff like that. Zone control. I'll put it on the single at the moment because I don't know, that's just the way I like the having it set up. A sound effect. This is awesome. A lot of these new JVC and Kenwood head unit has got this thing which enhances the sound a lot. To be honest with you, I find it very useful in tuning, especially having aftermarket speakers and a subwoofer into it. Gives you like a nice warm effect, you know, and it just enhances the sound a lot better than, you know, before with your bass and trebles and mid-range and stuff like that. And also you can lock it in, so when you go to disconnect the battery, you come back into this and you press recall, and that will bring up all of your old stuff back onto it, you know, so you don't have to fine-tune everything again. Okay, so it's pretty cool. Yeah, it's got some disc going in there. I don't know what's playing in there, but yeah, you know, so it's got pretty much all the stuff that you need. Yeah, so hope you like the review. Like, subscribe, whatever. You know, give me a feedback. Tell me if I'm missing on something I forgot to mention. Whatever. Just yeah. I'll see you guys next time, and I hope this helps you with your question, finding out more about the KENWOOD DDX918WS. Thanks.